Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. I'm in my office and my colleagues have just given me some beautiful gifts from a class called KR4.A. They had a special official party yesterday where they got their final school report and I wasn't there. I'm so sorry, I was very busy. But they brought me some stuff and since I just got here, I thought, why not make an unboxing video? These are the gifts I got from KR4.A. Look how absolutely stunning this bouquet is. You can call it flowers, a bunch of flowers, or a bouquet, which is from French. And look at all the beautiful plants. We have got, not sure what this is in English actually, but we have got some chamomile. Look, some beautiful, lovely chamomile. Then we've got some lavender, and some roses. And here, there's one little cornflower. How cute is that? What a beautiful, beautiful bouquet. I love it. I love the colors. I love the vibe. It's amazing. I'm going to take pictures and add it to my collection of pictures of bouquets that I get from students. I have this collection of photos so that I can keep the bouquets forever. I know I'm very sentimental. Then I got some white wine. Lovely. Thank you. Do you want your teachers to be alcoholics or what? I love it. And I think, oh yeah, I think there is also some chocolate. Beautiful, right? Wine and chocolate. I love it. Oh, the flowers are just amazing and they smell good too. And then I got this mystery bag. It looks very promising. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, more chocolate. Milk chocolate. Sounds awesome. I love chocolate. I have a sweet tooth. To have a sweet tooth means to like sweets. I definitely have a sweet tooth. What else have I got here? Oh, some tea. Excellent. Some fruit tea. I can drink tea and eat the chocolate. Then I've got, look. Oh, a scented candle. Look. Scented means it will smell good. Candle. Jasmine. It says it smells like jasmine. Jasmine is the beautiful bush with lovely white flowers that smell very good. They have a very strong smell. I'll smell it now. Ah, nice. I love things that smell good. And, oh, this looks very promising. Look. This looks like a book voucher, is it? Is it? Oh, yes, it's a book voucher. So the plan is, when I've got some free time, I'm going to go to this bookshop. I'm going to claim my book. I'm going to buy something nice, maybe like a detective story or, I don't know. Excellent. And with the book, I will sit at home, I will eat my chocolate, I will drink some of my tea. I'll use the candle to make the evening even more pleasant. And I'll look at my flowers and read my book and I'll be very happy. And I might open the wine. Excellent. Thank you so much. You were an amazing class to teach. I love you. You're amazing. And you made me very happy. Thanks a lot, really. See ya.